Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Devolutions HQ. I'm glad you guys joined us today. My name's Yen. I'm here with
Hi guys,
Jenny.
I'm Jenny.
And anyway, today we thought, since the spirit of the season is here.
As you can see with my Christmassy sweater.
Exactly. A lot of people have been doing Black Friday shopping or getting gifts, whether you celebrate the holidays or you don't. We thought, why don't we go around the office and ask people what are their favorite things they have?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, and then we actually brought some of the things in the studio today.
Yeah.
It would be fun. And we thought we'd just go through about 8 or 9 different things that we thought would be good ideas that maybe tech people like us would love to have. So you either buy it for yourself or you get it for somebody for the holiday season.
Yeah, because sometimes you just need like a little, a little light bulb or just a little idea that's like, oh, this is exactly what I should buy.
So the first one is one of our favorite stores.
Yes, oh my God, IKEA.
IKEA.
Come on, who doesn't love IKEA?
IKEA is a lot of fun, but a couple guys in the security department actually told me that you can get these things called lack tables, which is about $10 or so. Phil said that they're the exact width of a server rack.
Oh,
so you can actually, for about $10, you can actually mount your servers under it.
Okay.
And they're the exact width. So getting one from IKEA is a great solution. But at home, I bought a new monitor and I wanted to prop it up instead of having a stack of old programming books like we all do, right? I decided, why don't I buy one of these? And it was, I think, $12 or something like that. And then I cut 6 inches off the legs, and then now it makes a nice little, pretty sturdy tables. But you can do all sorts of stuff with lack tables, yeah. So I got something for you, Jenny.
What?
It's a little 3D puzzle, okay?
What's this?
In fact,
You're giving me a puzzle.
I'm giving you a puzzle, okay? This was made by David, one of our customer success people. He made these on his own 3D printer at home.
What?
Yeah.
This is made by a 3D
It's
printer?
made by a 3D printer, yeah, and it's actually
That is amazing. You guys can feel this, but like the quality is amazing.
For about $300 to $500, he said you can get a really nice one. He has the Ender SaintSmart model, and he said it was really good, and he liked it because I think it's open source and you can program it, you can do all sorts of stuff.
I think mine is broken.
Well, you have to solve it. Okay, but anyway, but he even made this little Thanos head.
Crazy awesome.
Also said, and this is actually what's cool. It's biodegradable. So it's plastic, but it's a plastic that actually, they say, it biodegrades, and you can get all sorts of different colors. And I mean, it takes probably, I don't know, depending on what you're doing, 2 to 10 hours to print or more. I mean, for $300 to $500, it is a little pricey, but it's definitely less than I thought. I thought like $8,000 or something. But 3D printers, all the rage nowadays, especially for us IT people, right? And the next idea we had was actually Matt Moe from our security department said, in a library or if you go to Starbucks or whatever, they have the Ethernet ports in the wall. Well, I always thought about this. Sometimes I go to the library and honestly, I have my laptop, and if all I had was an Ethernet cable, I could plug in directly into the wall and nobody might say anything, you know? And if I had malintentions, you could really do some damage if their system is not secure, right? So it's a little outlet plug, you just plop them in there, and they're plastic. You can get them on Amazon for less than $20, like a 20-pack.
That's a really neat gift that, like you say, for under $20.
Yeah, and then you can just fill in your little ports, and it comes with like a little special key tool to pop them out. But thought, well, that's a great idea. If you just, even for a school or a classroom, you can just plug them in there so people don't put their Ethernet jacks in there. Your brother actually has some of these.
Yeah, my brother has it. It's actually a gift that's a bit more expensive. It's $250.
Yep.
They are Fluance speakers.
Fluance speakers.
They actually are amazing. I mean, he brought them to work and tested it out, and we got to hear the quality of the sound of those speakers.
Sure.
Amazing.
Yeah.
A great gift to have for anyone who loves to listen to music.
For the price range, I haven't heard speakers that good. And Stacy, let's be honest, he's a graphic designer. He's very picky about certain things.
Picky.
And these things, like you look at them and they're just amazing. They're well built. It's a Canadian company. But so you can buy them in the US or the Canadian. We'll put both links in the show notes so you can, if you want to look at them.
Okay, that's one of my favorite. Okay, Disney Plus subscription for your family.
Yeah.
It's a great gift. It's $10 per month. it really is an amazing gift that you get to enjoy with your kids, with your family. It makes great evening. You get to watch The Mandalorian.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
amazing. The new Star Wars. It's so great.
Yeah, it is.
So it is a neat gift that you don't think about, but I mean, it's a nice, subscription.
So that's $10 a month, right?
Exactly.
Another good option. Okay, this is something actually, something I wanted. It's an ultra wide HD screen. Back in the day, I remember getting those like when we first got our 13-inch monitor. The thing weighs like 150 pounds, and it was this huge thing that was like, look at the screen, it's huge.
So big.
And nowadays, most of us have flat screens at work, and they're about 17 or 19 inches, depending on the size. But this thing is like 29 inches from corner to corner. But it's amazing watching movies or just like playing games or designing. Like I did some Photoshop, and you could put everything on one screen instead of having two
And
screens.
the quality is really good.
The quality is really good, and the one I picked up was an LG, and it was only about like $220. A good idea if you're looking
very
for
good
something
idea.
to just upgrade your computer at home or at work. A cool idea. All right, and the next one, hold on, I need to get a drink. A little
Beer?
bottle of something. No, it's not beer.
We have cider.
No, it's not cider.
Wine of a really weird color.
No, it's actually kombucha. I don't know if you've been to stores nowadays. A lot of people are selling kombucha. Getting it from the store, like a bottle like this, can be like $8. What's great is you can actually brew your own booch at home. And they have kits on Amazon for like $50, and we'll put links in the show notes. But I know a couple of guys that work here, Richer and Stacy and I and other people, we brew our own kombucha at home, and we have a lot of fun, and something that we like, okay, Jenny?
They're the only three.
Yeah, the only 3 people. But if you want to save some money from buying kombucha in the store all the time, hey, a great holiday gift idea is to make your own booch at home. Lemongrass and mint. But anyway. Okay, the next one. What's something that we all like?
Come on, that we all love it. Oh, and we do have one. It is coming right here. Come on, a Lego kit. It's whatever age you are, from 3 to 99.
Yeah.
I don't know why they always say 99.
They always say 3 to
at age.
99.
I don't
Like,
know
what
why.
if you're 100? Can you still play with Legos?
Probably you can.
Yeah, probably.
But the Legos, they're for everyone. Everyone loves them. I think it's something you can do with your family. You can do just, a couple nights.
Sure.
I think it's amazing. It's always a good gift. And
Yeah.
you have all the prices. I
Yeah.
mean, you get the smaller ones that are cheap. You get the big one if you want to really invest
Oh, yeah.
your time and your money in a Lego.
And we have a lot of Lego collectors, in fact, here.
We do.
So we just got a huge one of the Imperial Star Destroyers, or you can get the little ones, like this little cool little ship in a bottle. So it can be budget friendly, but Legos are fun. I think they're timeless,
They
and
are
we like playing
fun.
with Legos. So
Yeah.
What about you? Is there anything that you would really
Something
like?
that I would really,
What
really
was something
like that I
interesting?
asked Santa for.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my boyfriend
Oh.
to put a little ring on that. So
Okay.
that's my Christmas gift.
Well,
I
well, well.
want a little ring on that finger. So there you go.
And this is for, what's the young man's name?
Fred,
Fred, okay.
this is for you.
All right.
No pressure though,
No
at
pressure. It's okay. It's only on public TV all over YouTube.
yeah, exactly.
All right, but no problem. So Fred, you better get it done, man.
Now we want to hear what you guys want for Christmas.
What do you guys like? Or things that maybe you even have that you think would be a good idea for other IT pros,
Yeah,
right?
love it.
So just put your comment below, and then we will randomly pick one winner to get the brand new 2020 Sysadminitor calendar from
Yeah.
Devolutions. So
It's a very nice one.
yeah, it's really
Love
nice.
it.
Had some of the best classic comic strips in there. But anyway, so thank you guys so much. We hope you have a
Thank you.
happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Enjoy. We hope you'll be with your family, with all your loved one. We wish you all the best from the bottom of our heart here at Devolution.
Sure. Thank you guys so much. And we want to let you guys know how much we appreciate you guys. And we have more in store for you guys next year in 2020. So thanks. Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye.